Yes, you can turn your passion into profit. Replace or supplement your income by learning from the best. Since 2005, Wealthy Affiliate has been the go-to platform for aspiring and seasoned entrepreneurs alike. With over 2.6 million members and a stellar 4.8-star rating on Trustpilot, it's clear why WA is deemed the best in the industry by over 50,000 independent reviews. But what makes Wealthy Affiliate truly stand out? It's the all-inclusive nature of their offering. You get world-class training, artificial intelligence modules, cutting-edge research tools, expert support, and top-notch WordPress hosting. Everything you need to build, grow, and scale your online business under one roof. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, Wealthy Affiliate's comprehensive platform has got you covered. From their free starter plan to their Premium Plus package, there's something for everyone. Did we mention you can start for free with no credit card required? And did we mention the community? Imagine learning from and collaborating with 2.9 million like-minded entrepreneurs. So, why wait? Dive into the world of online business with Wealthy Affiliate and start your journey to success today. Get started today with Wealthy Affiliate, empowering your online journey one click at a time.